welcome back to my channel. I say good morning because I am up bright and early, and bright and early for me is about 11 in the morning. Anyway, I'm explaining that because I do not have any makeup on. I woke up, came downstairs to do one thing, and it is a very exciting one thing. I can't wait to show you, so I'm gonna show you now. Suspenseful music. My mom got me an Ancestry kit. So I basically have to send them a DNA sample so that the government can track me forever. Just kidding. I am going to do this, and I figured I would share this with you. I'm really excited. Want to thank my mom for doing this so that I can test out my ancestry and what my lineage is, where I come from. I'm hoping to find out a lot of things. My sister has done this, my dad has done this, my mother has done this, and they have a bunch of really fun information, a pool of knowledge that they can sift through, people that they can contact within our family. And I just think this is a really cool opportunity for me to learn more about myself and to see how similar and different my sister and I are, like what parts we have inherited differently from different parents and how close or not close we are. And yeah, so I'm gonna get started. Meow, meow. Milo, I'm so sorry. I don't think they have a DNA kit for kitties. I'm sorry. But you can be a part of this. You can watch me. You can be my mascot. Yeah. All right, you're gonna help me open the box. So I have not opened this yet. It is still sealed, and I'm actually gonna get some scissors to cut this little tab thing off. So yeah, scissor cam. Milo, careful, I have scissors. All right, we're going for it. Here we go. Are you ready, Milo? I'm pretty sure that it's just a really, Milo, hey, you in my frame, you in my shot, kitty. Anyway, as I was saying before, I was so rudely interrupted. I'm pretty sure it's just a saliva sample. Gross, but we're gonna do it because, yeah, why not? Anyway, I wanted to do this video just to share this information with you guys because I think it's pretty fun. I'll tell you what I expect as far Milo, as far as what I think I have and where I come from, I guess. Ew! Okay, it says activate your kit, and the number is on your spit tube, so it is officially saliva test. Oh, this is so gross. Okay. Do not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes before giving your saliva sample. I have not done anything except I had water, but water's not going to mess with it, right? I'm going for it. Life's too short. What's this? Collection bag. It comes with a saliva tube that you put in a tube. The collection bag? I probably shouldn't have taken the seal thing off yet. Oh well, we're going with it. Okay, we have the spit tube. And no, I will not be spitting into this on camera because that's gross, not sanitary. Ah, it's sticky. Okay, so I guess this is the box that you mail it back to them in. So that's cool. That's all we got. This is all that came in the little box. So we're gonna go ahead and do it. This is weird. I do not appreciate that I have to do this right now, but it's worth it. It's worth it for answers that I have never known before and for self-discovery. This is cool. All right, so it's telling me to basically spit up until I hit this black line right there. Not including bubbles. It literally says not including bubbles. Disgusting. It says it's easy. That's less than a quarter teaspoon. Don't overfill. It's very important not to spit too much into this tube. All right, so I'm gonna go off camera, do this real quick, and we'll check back in then. See you soon. Okay guys, so I did it, and no, it wasn't as big of a deal as I was making it out to be, but that's okay, because it's more fun when I'm being extra, right? Okay, next step. It says to replace the funnel. I'm gonna throw this away. So replace the funnel with this little guy or girl. It's blue, so it could be either. Screw on the enclosed cap tightly to release the solution that will stabilize the DNA in your saliva. This is gross. Okay, tighten to release stabilizing fluid. Okay, so we're gonna tighten to release this fluid, and it did it. Ah, it turned blue. Okay, so now I'm supposed to shake for about 5 seconds, so I'll watch the camera till it tells me 5 seconds are up. 5 seconds later. Cool, that's nice and mixed in. Next, we place the tube in this bag. Place it in here. Ah, it's sticky. There it is. We're gonna seal it with the adhesive strip. It is sealed. And then gotta mail it in, basically. No postage necessary if mailed in the US. That's pretty cool. I gotta say, I appreciate that immensely. You already buy the kit, you know, might as well get free shipping. Send it on back. So there's also adhesive strips on here too. I'll do this today. I'm gonna go have this sent in the mail today. So that's really exciting. I don't know how long it takes for results to get in. Okay, it says 6 to 8 weeks. So 6 to 8 weeks from now, I will be revisiting this video to talk about my ancestry. I'll share with you guys what I learned from it, and I'm really, really excited for this. This is packaged and sealed, ready to go, ready to be shipped off to the new world, wherever it goes. I don't know. Anyway, so kind of what I'm expecting from this is I have always heard mixed things. Like I would say about 3/4 of the time, a lot of people say I favor my mother, and about the other 25% of the time, it's I look like my dad. And my sister, it's the exact opposite. Everyone has always said she favors the Kai side of the family, and that 1 out of 4 people will say, oh, you know, you definitely look more like your mom. I think we're equally balanced. However, my mother's side of the family, I think I will have more of. And if I can recall correctly, my mother has more English, Scottish, Irish, and she comes from Jewish descent, and I believe it's from Israel. And I believe that's like a genuine Hebrew descent. And I don't want to sound ignorant at all. That's another reason I'm very excited to do this, because I feel like I'll learn more about not only myself, but the cultures that surface in my DNA. That's so Anyway, I don't know. My dad, I think, has more of a German-Irish blend in his DNA. And I don't know, I grew up with a lot of German cultural experiences and Irish cultural experiences. And I really liked that 2 sides of my family. We always assumed that my dad's side was German, my mom's side was Irish. I grew up singing a lot of those folk songs. I Irish danced for many years of my life. I was an Irish dancer. Fun facts about me. Yes, I did Irish dance, and I loved that. That was such a big part of my life. It was a very happy part of my life. But anyway, so growing up with a lot of exposure to German, Irish, I guess traditions, whatever you want to call it. It's a really cool part of my childhood and my life. I am very excited to see how accurate that was growing up under those 2 influences, saying like, okay, you're half Irish, half German, and 100% American. I think it'll be really cool to see the percentages and how much they play in, how much English I have in me, or Scottish versus maybe I'm not as Irish as I thought I was. Anyway, yeah, it's a lot of really cool stuff, a lot of fascinating, interesting things about that. I don't know. I think the entire system behind DNA tests, I think that is such a cool reality that we get to live in, where we have access to this kind of information, this kind of technology, where we can find out exactly what we are and who we are, what we come from, and then have more appreciation for those cultures and other communities. And I know personally, I love watching these videos of people saying, okay, well, I'm this, and then find out they're none of that. And then all of a sudden, it just changes your entire perspective on life. I think that's such a good opportunity. I think it's also such a good message about being open-minded and accepting. Just because you think this is your culture and then less open to other cultures, and then you find out the opposite, like, oh no, I don't have any of this in me, and then you find out you actually have more of something in you than the other, and then all of a sudden your world just seems to grow. It grows bigger. And I know I've said this a bunch, but I'm really excited for this learning experience, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. I'm probably gonna make this a 2-parter. So this will be video 1, and then the results of it will be The results of it should be coming out in a few weeks. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna get on the computer, I'm going to register my kit, and then I'm going to send it in the mail today. We'll check back in later. I'll see you guys for part 2. I love you guys. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay bright. Let me know what you think is going to show up in the results. I'll see you next time. Bye.